Welcome to a culinary journey through South Asia, where we dive into the heartwarming dish of khichdi.
Greetings, I am Ishwar Bhattarai. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Contemporary Issues and Optimism. Today I am going to explore about Bahundangi, Tarul and Maghe Sankranti. Let's start.
Welcome to Bahundangi, an enchanting village in the eastern part of Japa district on the Mechi Naga municipality. It was Bahundangi Village Development Committee. Nepal has been a federal democratic republican state. According to the concept of a federal system, Nepal has been divided into 7 provinces, 77 districts and 753 local levels. After the federalism has been implemented, now it is Ward number 4 of Mechi Naga municipality, a place where most of its nearly 23,000 inhabitants are farmers and life is woven with the threads of simplicity and nature. Here, you'll find places of serene beauty and spiritual significance. The Patalganga temple in Tea Garden and Krishna Tumki stand tallest temple of Japa district, imbued with myth and legend. Many mountains mimic their snow-covered counterparts of Shiva and Parvati, while a century-old banyan tree serves as a sanctuary for bird species. Experience a unique blend of tranquility and thrill at the Elephant View Tower and Bamboo Resort. This nature lover's paradise offers comfortable lodging and sumptuous dishes. Although Bahundangi lacks an airport, Bagdogra is just a flight away in India and the Bhadrapur airport in about 20 kilometers, while the new Jalpaiguri India station connects the village to the rhythm of the rail.
Tarul Festival, which started from Paush Masanta of the year 2079 BS and is celebrated annually on the last day of Paush, and the Maghe Sankranti means first day of Magh month, was initiated by Arjun Karki, the chairman of Machinagar Ward number 4. The excellent cultural Maghe Sankranti and historical Tarul Festival, which is a pride of Machinagar municipality itself, is being held this year on Paush 29 and Magh 1st. Ward Chairman Arjun Karki has cordially invited all district journalists, Press Club Machinagar, other independent journalists, writers, poets, literati, artists, intellectuals, teachers, students, employees, farmers, laborers, and all respectable women and gentlemen to attend Tarul Utsab.
Today, we delve into the heart of winter in Nepal, celebrating the festival of Maghe Sankranti. A time of feasting where health meets indulgence, this festival has a focus on warming the body and nourishing the soul. Imagine this. Delicious chaku, a type of molasses, and tilauri, sesame seeds wrapped in a sugary coat, being savored in every home. The air is filled with the aroma of ghee, a clarified butter, being used to cook khichdi, a hot pot of lentils and rice. There's a celebration of root vegetables with sweet potatoes, taro roots, and yam taking center stage, accompanied by a side of spinach. But it's not just about the food. Maghe Sankranti is a time to purify the body, to stave off diseases. It's a festival that celebrates life and health with a side of sweet indulgence. So isn't it fascinating how a festival can blend tradition, health, and celebration so seamlessly? Remember, positivity breeds positivity. Until next time on Positive Thinking, Positive Outcome.
Celebrated across Nepal, Bangladesh and India, this humble meal of rice and lentils packs a punch of carbohydrates, protein and fiber. Traditionally savoured during religious festivals such as Nepal's Maghe Sankranti and India's Navaratri and Janmashtami, khichdi is not just food, it's a symbol of good luck and prosperity. Its purifying and cleansing properties are revered, though the origins of this association remain shrouded in mystery. Whether you're a vegetarian or a meat lover, khichdi has got you covered. Its versatility allows for the addition of various protein sources, making it a truly customizable dish, not to mention it's low in calories and high in vitamins and minerals. Intriguing, isn't it? So, why not give this nutritious and balanced meal a try? Remember, every spoonful of khichdi brings you a taste of South Asian heritage and a step closer to a healthier lifestyle. Until next time, keep exploring and keep tasting.